Hello, English learner. Welcome back to EduTalks. I'm Sophia, and today I want to show you something surprising. Last weekend, I asked 100 English learners one simple question. Why do your weekend stories sound boring in English? The number one answer? Using the same easy words again and again. Good, nice, fine. But here's what really caught my attention. The people who sounded the most interesting were not doing anything special. They were enjoying simple weekend moments, sleeping a bit longer, cooking at home, going for a short walk. So, what made them different? They were using the right phrases that make simple experiences sound natural, clear, and engaging. One of my students learned these phrases just a few weeks ago. Now, instead of saying, "My weekend was good," she says, "I had such a relaxing weekend. It was exactly what I needed." Can you hear the difference? This is day 7 of our 30-day challenge to speak English fluently, talking about your weekend. Today, you'll learn 30 real phrases people actually use in everyday conversations. Not textbook English, real, natural English. And in just a few minutes, you'll start sounding more confident and expressive. Ready to upgrade your weekend stories? Let's dive in. I'm planning a calm and cozy Sunday. I'm planning a calm and cozy Sunday. I'm planning a calm and cozy Sunday. I'm going to wake up late tomorrow. I'm going to wake up late tomorrow. I'm going to wake up late tomorrow. I just want to stay home and relax. I just want to stay home and relax. I just want to stay home and relax. I'm catching up with friends over lunch. I'm catching up with friends over lunch. I'm catching up with friends over lunch. We're heading out to the park. We're heading out to the park. We're heading out to the park. I'm cooking a nice breakfast at home. I'm cooking a nice breakfast at home. I'm cooking a nice breakfast at home. I've been waiting all week to relax. I've been waiting all week to relax. I've been waiting all week to relax. This is exactly the break I need. This is exactly the break I need. This is exactly the break I need. Sunday is my time to recharge. Sunday is my time to recharge. Sunday is my time to recharge. I'm just going to take it slow. I'm just going to take it slow. I'm just going to take it slow. Great! Notice how these phrases sound much more natural and expressive than saying something like, "My Sunday will be good." Native speakers often use words like cozy, relax, and take it slow to make their sentences sound more real and comfortable. These small changes make a big difference in how you sound. Ready for the next step? Now let's move to experience phrases and learn how to talk about what you actually did on your weekend. I had such a peaceful Sunday. I had such a peaceful Sunday. I had such a peaceful Sunday. I slept in until late morning. I slept in until late morning. I slept in until late morning. I made a really tasty breakfast. I made a really tasty breakfast. I made a really tasty breakfast. I got some chores done. I got some chores done. I got some chores done. I spent time talking with my family. I spent time talking with my family. I spent time talking with my family. We chatted for a long time. We chatted for a long time. We chatted for a long time. I went out for a short walk. I went out for a short walk. I went out for a short walk. The weather felt amazing. The weather felt amazing. The weather felt amazing. I hung out with a close friend. I hung out with a close friend. I hung out with a close friend. We watched some shows together. We watched some shows together. We watched some shows together. Awesome! Now you're starting to sound more natural and confident when talking about your weekend. Pay attention to verbs like made, got, spent, and hung out. These are simple but powerful words that native speakers use all the time in daily conversations. Now let's complete your learning with the final 10 phrases. These will help you express your feelings and reactions. I had a really great Sunday. I had a really great Sunday. I had a really great Sunday. It felt so refreshing. It felt so refreshing. It felt so refreshing. I feel more relaxed now. I feel more relaxed now. I feel more relaxed now. I wish it lasted longer. I wish it lasted longer. I wish it lasted longer. You should definitely try this. You should definitely try this. You should definitely try this. It turned out better than I expected. It turned out better than I expected. It turned out better than I expected. I'd love to do this again. I'd love to do this again. I'd love to do this again. Weekends like this are the best. Weekends like this are the best. Weekends like this are the best. It was just what I needed. It was just what I needed. It was just what I needed. Such a perfect way to end the weekend. Such a perfect way to end the weekend. Such a perfect way to end the weekend. Perfect! Now let's put everything together with a real conversation. I'll play one role and imagine someone else is speaking with you. Repeat both lines so you can practice like a real conversation. Let's begin.
Hey, Sophia, how was your weekend?
I had such a peaceful Sunday.
Really? What did you do?
I slept in until late morning.
Nice. Anything else?
I made a really tasty breakfast.
Did you go out?
Yeah, I went out for a short walk. The weather felt amazing. I also hung out with a close friend.
What did you guys do?
We chatted for a long time, and we watched some shows together.
How do you feel now?
I feel more relaxed now. I wish it lasted longer. That sounds great. You should definitely try this. Such a perfect way to end the weekend. I feel more relaxed now. I wish it lasted longer. That sounds great. You should definitely try this. Such a perfect way to end the weekend. Now it's your turn. I'll ask the questions, and you answer using the phrases you've learned. Speak clearly and naturally. Ready? Let's go. Hey, how was your weekend? What did you do first? That sounds nice. What else? Did you do anything else? How was that? What about later in the day? How was your evening? How do you feel now? Amazing! You just upgraded from using simple, repetitive words to sharing your weekend stories in a much more natural and engaging way. Those 30 phrases? They are your powerful tools to speak confidently and make your conversations sound real and interesting. Now, when you talk about your weekend, people will actually enjoy listening to you and want to continue the conversation. Tomorrow is day 8 of our 30-day challenge, and we're going to learn another important speaking skill that will take your English to the next level. So don't stop now. Keep your progress going strong. If these weekend phrases helped you feel more confident, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And in the comments, write one phrase that you will definitely use to talk about your next weekend. Keep practicing every day, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson.